A very urgent video for all Kaspa holders, and there is a pattern on this very chart that I'm going to show you in this very video. We're going to see whether that pattern is going to repeat itself on Kaspa on this very one-day chart, and also Bitcoin is coming up gradually from $58,000 to $59,000 right now. Will this very move continue from where it is right now all the way to the upside? Pay attention to this very pattern I'm going to show you on Kaspa right now in this very video, and better position yourself before the next move, either downward or upward in the market. And watch this video to the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading, and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you look at Kaspa one-day chart USDT, market move all the way from here upward. Okay, it created a new high, and then market come back down, move upward, created a new high, and right now market is downward and at this very price level of 0.167. Now, one thing very important on the stochastic RSI indicator is that if you pay attention to the way the market is moving upward on the stochastic, you discover that every time the market enter into oversold condition, market always created a new high. So from this very point, market come back all the way to the downside and then move upward, create a new high. And what happened on the stochastic RSI is that market come back down into oversold condition, come out of it, and then creates a new high on the chart into overbought condition right here. Now the same thing happened, market retrace downward, and then market come into the oversold condition again at this very point right here, and then market begin to move out from the oversold condition, created another new high. That was when the market entered into the overbought condition at this very point. Now, if you look at what is on the chart at the moment, it is called that we have something very different. Market enter into oversold condition again, come out of oversold condition, and we are not seeing any significant move all the way to the upside. And the reason is, why are we seeing this very different from what the market has been doing in the past? The reason is because if you look at the way the market dipped right down, this was an aggressive move that break this very first structure on the chart, and then also break this second structure on the chart, and the market did not stay here. The market closed above this very area, okay, so slightly below this very first structure, but market dip was very aggressive, and that is why we are seeing this stochastic moving upward, but the momentum on the chart is lost at this very point. What that means is market is going to move upward very soon, although it may not create a new high. Okay, so it can be a retracement before continuation back to the downside, and that is what I want you to pay attention to right now on the chart, because markets have capacity right now to move a little bit upward, not creating a new high, and then come back down a little bit before the final move to the upside. This is a very near scenario possibility, because if you look at what the market has been doing in the past, by now we should see significant move in price action around this very area, since the stochastic RSI have already come out of the oversold condition at this very point, moving upward. But that is what we are seeing at the moment. So pay attention to market gradually moving upward right now. This is very urgent for all Kaspa holders, and to the upside before any little movement downward. And that is what I am expecting right now on the one-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart Kaspa, there is something very different on the 4-hour chart Kaspa right now. If you notice, this very area have been a very solid and strong level of resistance right at this very point. Market enter into this level for about 3 times or more. From this very point, we have resistance right here, we have another resistance at this very point, we have another resistance at this very point. And one thing that is also very key on this very chart is that in as much as we are seeing this resistance here, resistance and resistance at this very point, market is not creating a low. Look at it here. From this very point on Kaspa, we see the market move all the way from here upward and then retracement. Market move, meet resistance, retracement. Market move again, meet resistance, and we are seeing the market creating highs, okay, from this very point to this very area to this very area. So we can draw a trend line from this very point and say market is moving significantly to the upside because market is not creating new lows. This is very important. So this is creating an ascending triangular pattern, and an ascending triangular pattern has the capacity of breaking right at this very point of resistance. And that is why I am paying attention to market breaking out on this very level of resistance on this very Kaspa for our chart all the way to the upside. So what you need to do right now is to pay attention to a breakout of this very level of resistance right here, because a breakout here is going to make the market to begin to move significantly all the way to the upside, because from this very area we are seeing a very dull reduced momentum. And not only that, if you look at what the stochastic RSI is doing, it is just coming out of oversold condition with aggressive momentum all the way to the upside. So it means that there is a high capacity of market breaking this level of resistance than market coming back to the downside. And that is what I want you to pay attention to as a Kaspa holder. Once the market break out with a significant bullish candle, and then that bullish candle close above every other close within this very resistance level, then market is going to move significantly to the upside on Kaspa, despite this aggressive move to the downside that we saw in the market last week. Okay, and this is what I am paying attention to right now in the market. And this very movement on the stochastic RSI is going to move into the overbought condition at this very region on the chart. So this is what you need to pay attention to at the moment on Kaspa. And on Bitcoin 1-day chart, I am expecting that the market move slightly upward, okay, and then come back down before the final move all the way to the upside. Personally, I am not expecting any aggressive move all the way to the upside that will break this very level of resistance on the chart, because the month of August is not a good month for crypto, and that have always played out on the chart, on the 1 month chart, like I showed you in my immediate last video. And the market is going to move upward slightly and then come back down again before the final move upward. I am expecting that aggressive move to come into the market by next month and October or possibly December this very year. Okay, so this is what you need to pay attention to on the Bitcoin chart. On the RSI stochastic indicator, market is moving upward right here, but there is a loss of momentum to the upside, as you can see right now. The possibility of market moving upward is there because of this very movement, but for me, there is a high tendency of market coming back down than moving upward. That means any move we see the market make all the way to the upside will definitely come back down before the final move upward. That is what I am expecting. So market will move upward, but that move will not last long, and then it's going to come back down again for the final move downward before the next move upwards. So this is what you need to bear in mind for the next move in the market. And on the 4-hour chart, the market is making new lows, which means that the market have capacity of coming back down again. Look at it here. Market move all the way from this very point of important support all the way to the upside from here, retracement, market move, and the market come back down, could not create a new high again, come back down, create a new low, make a new move, did not create any new high, market come back down, create a new low. This means that the market have capacity of coming back again to the downside. This market move here is going to come back down again to create a new low. That is my own expectation, okay? Because market is creating new lows at this very point. So the tendency of market coming back down and create another new low is very likely, okay, and before it will finally move upward. And before the market will finally move upward, I want to see a possible breakout on this very trend line right here. So this trend line have to break down before any move to the upside. If there is no breakout, I am not considering market moving upward. And even though I see a breakout here, that move is not very strong for me because the 1-day chart is looking still bearish for the market. Kaspa holders should prepare for a possible breakout on this very chart as a result of this very movement to the upside. And this is a ascending triangular pattern on the chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.